Welcome to Noida, a city rapidly evolving, redefining urban living and embracing the future. This is the cinematic documentary of Noida's smart city. Once a quiet suburb, Noida has transformed into one of India's most dynamic urban centers, an emblem of rapid development and technological integration. Watch the sunset cast its golden hue over the ascending skyline, a visual testament to Noida's ambition and growth. Every tower tells a story of aspiration. Noida is not just growing, it's growing smart. It's a planned city leveraging technology to create an efficient, connected, and sustainable urban environment for its residents. Let's explore the architectural heart of Noida, a city reaching for the skies. These towers are more than just buildings. They are landmarks of modern India. From contemporary residential high-rises to state-of-the-art corporate buildings, Noida's cityscape is a canvas of architectural innovation, setting new standards for urban aesthetics. The city's meticulous urban planning ensures a harmonious blend of commercial hubs, residential sectors, and green spaces, making it a truly livable city. Noida is quickly becoming a magnet for commerce and a hub for luxurious hospitality, catering to a sophisticated, cosmopolitan population. Step inside the luxurious malls of Noida, where world-class brands and exquisite dining experiences await. These spaces are social and retail sanctuaries. The city boasts a range of five-star hotels and luxury residences, offering unparalleled service and opulence, solidifying Noida's status as a premium destination. A modern city requires modern infrastructure. Noida's connectivity and burgeoning IT sector are the pillars of its smart city future. The efficient Noida Metro is the city's lifeline, ensuring seamless travel and connecting the dense urban landscape, a testament to effective public transit planning. Noida is a burgeoning IT hub, attracting global tech giants and startups alike. The city's corporate campuses are innovation crucibles, driving India's technological advancement. The journey of transformation continues. Noida is constantly planning and executing projects that will enhance its infrastructure and quality of life. New developments in residential, commercial, and public spaces promise to elevate Noida even further, ensuring continuous growth and modernization. A key focus is on smart city initiatives, integrating digital technology for better governance, energy efficiency, and a sustainable future for all residents. In just a few decades, Noida has completed a transformative journey, emerging as a leader in urban development and a model for the future. This city embodies a modern, dynamic identity, perfectly balancing technological progress with quality urban living, inviting the world to witness its evolution. Noida Smart City is here, and its future is brighter than ever. Join us in celebrating this extraordinary urban marvel.